Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add remixes of reels on the Instagram application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the profile section at the bottom of the screen and click to the three lines at the upper right corner of the page. Go to the settings and privacy option, and in the how voters can interact with you section you can find the sharing and remixes button. And in the what people can remix section you can find the first option, the allow remixes of reels, and if you want to enable this function just click to the next white circle and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.